Woman's work is never done. We've all heard that quoted so often, we've almost come to believe it's true. But is it? Let's find out. Who says that woman's work is never done? I say so, says the clock. I say so, with my relentless tick-tock, tick-tock. Time to get up. Time to light the fire. Time to cook the breakfast. Time to get the children off to school. Time to wash up. Time to make the beds. Time to go shopping. Time to get the supper. I say so, says the clock. Tick-tock, tick-tocking a woman's life away. Who says that woman's work is never done? I say so, says the carpet brush. Brush, 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 while the dust gets in your eyes, in your throat, in your hair, in your lungs. And you've got to get down to it, lady, if you want to see your carpet even looking clean. And perhaps you do want to read that new book from the library. Or go for a walk. Or take a rest. Or run downtown and look at the shops. Perhaps you do, but you can't. Who says that woman's work is never done? I say so, says the scrubbing brush. And I say so, says the mop. And I say so, says the feather whisk. And I say so, says the duster. And I say so, says the man of the house. At my office, I have every labor-saving device I can wish for. Telegraph, telephone, typewriter, vehicles to carry me swiftly to and from my office to my home. My work is always done in the evening when I get home, but there are obvious signs that my wife has not finished hers, and when spring cleaning comes round, I am just an outcast. Spring. In the spring, a young man's fancy lightly turns to thoughts of, well, you know what I mean. But in the spring, a woman's thoughts turn to carpets and cleaning. Who says that woman's work is never done? I say so, says the man of the house, while there is furniture to clean, and carpets to clean, and chimneys to sweep, and picture rails to dust. But those are voices out of the past. Take no notice of them. Laugh at them, because they just aren't true anymore. That's how it used to be in the bad old days, but now, cast your eyes away from that picture of gloom and depression, of backache and misery, to a brighter picture of sunshine and happiness. Look up to where there rises yonder an electric pylon, carrying the current of service into every woman's life.